Melissa Burns coming in hot, going vertical.
And here's the incredible thing about this, Miles. She can multitask like you read about.
Should we talk to her?
Yeah, that's what I was getting to.
You're going to be amazed at how calm she is. Melissa, it's Rick down here on the ground, and how do you read?
Hey, I read you loud and clear. How you read?
Fine, I just can never get past how absolutely laid back you sound.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, hey Rick, how's it going?
It's going well. Miles and I are down here, and Brittany too, and everybody else, and we're amazed. What are you up to? You are going to sever the ribbon between those poles, the brave young souls holding it. Look at this. I'm not even going to let her talk right now. I'm just going to keep it. There we go. Now as she straightens out and pulls some G's, that looks confusing.
Of all the things people usually like these nice sharp curves like we're air racing out there.
And that's something you're going to do and represent America while doing it.
You better believe it, Rick. I'm the first American of the Air Race X Series. I am so excited. Watch our remote race series as we prepare for those in-person races next year. We're bringing back the pylon.
And bringing back the trophy, huh?
You better believe it. I'm going to give those races a run for their money.
I know you are. Talk to me about that airplane that you love so much.
I had this X built in 2005. It was the last classic X built before the Air Race Series began. It has the most incredible wing on it. This wing will do anything I ask of it, which also makes it extremely safe for what I do. I go all over the world in my X.
Hey Melissa, what's your favorite part about flying at Sun and Fun?
My favorite part about flying at Sun and Fun is getting to meet and hang out with all of the incredible people that come out here to join us. So I could go fly by myself anytime, but this show is all about the community.
And Melissa, showcasing the Shooting Stars all-female team, what's your piece of advice for all the girls in the audience watching?
You chase your dreams. Anything is possible. I'm also a professor at Embry-Riddle. We've got some of our faculty out there helping out right now with my whole team. Engineers, some of the smartest people I know. Study hard, make good decisions, you guys.
It's incredible that she's talking so doing all these precision stops and everything. Honestly, I asked my wife to stop talking to me when I'm backing the car up.
Right?
Lots of practice.
She says she's on the faculty at Embry-Riddle, and she's keeping her faculties about her right now while she's doing snap rolls, and she's about to go cutting ribbons right now. Todd and Elisa from T&W Aircraft Electrical are out there bravely holding up ribbons with poles, and she's going to come down and cut them.
Wow, she's just checking in. She's taking a look-see. How did that look, Melissa? Excuse me, you're going to fly under it?
I'm going to fly under it. Remember, the wheels are the surface interface portion of my airplane.
Of course. All right, we are watching, and in your case, Professor, watching and learning.
That's right, Rick. All right, I'm going to fly over now, come back the other direction, and I will go under those ribbons. Check out the torque of this engine pulling the heat back and forward.
Look at that. She's having a ball, Miles.
Having a ball. I've held the ribbon before, and I thought she was going to cut it, but she missed. She flew under it.
Yes, that's what she plans to do today. I think she enjoys that.
Yep.
But as she mentioned, though, it does help her get the idea of the clearance that she needs, and because as you get closer to the ground, things start moving faster. You got to orient yourself to all this again.
And you get ground effect.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave her alone right now.
She's in ground effect now.
She's in the ground, like dragging the grass along with her there. Under she goes. All right, that was impressive. And there's a little dip in the way things are from our point of view here. Honestly, I thought you were going to disappear there.
Yeah, I like playing with this little dick out here. The real fun part
idea.
Let that smoke clear out a little bit because it's hanging. I want to make sure I've got good visibility when I roll upside down.
Understandably. Boy, when you started, you must have seen the whole county up there and everything. It's just a beautiful day.
Oh, what a beautiful day. I'll tell you what, how stoked is everyone to be out here in Sun and Fun? I want to hear you cheer from in here. Woo!
Well, of course you're going to hear Miles. He drowns the whole crowd out. But yeah, people are up for this. Here you go. Inverted.
All right, here we go.
She's upside down and calm. And nails it. Through the ribbon. You know you got that.
Oh, I got that. I think it went right through my Insta 360.
I can't wait to see that. You're all over the socials, aren't you?
Yeah, man. All right. I'm going to come and cut that. The last ribbon night then, a couple of photo passes. So get your cameras ready, and then I'm going to land and we'll come say hello to the crowd.
All righty, we're going to let you get back to the Air Boss, too. Outstanding, Melissa. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks, you guys. Great job.
She is amazing. Now, by the photo passes, it's Melanie, the supermodel, right?
Roberta is, yes.
Roberta, she calls this, they're going to pose for a picture now where she's got the squirrel suit out. If you can't see this, she's standing there with the squirrel, and Melissa's going to fly right over her, and they call this the runway pass because she's a supermodel. You get it? Miles, do you get it?
Runway, I get it. Is that like a double entendre?
Yeah, sort of.
Yeah, sort of. Yeah.
No way. Yeah, wait.
That's awesome. Yeah, Roberta's awesome. And oh my gosh, I think everybody's awesome right now. What a great time. And if you want to follow more of what Melissa does,